Hi friends, I have a super fun winter carol for you today. It's called Up on the Housetop. Maybe you've heard it, maybe not. And so we're going to learn the words to it and we're going to put some actions with it. So I'm going to sing through this page once, follow along with me, and then we'll break it down. Let me move me out of the way. Here we go. Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus, down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Awesome. Before we learn it, who's Saint Nick? Saint Nick's another name for Santa. Do we see any rhyming words in this? Oh my goodness, I see lots of rhyming words too. I see paws and claws and toys and joys and go again and click and nick. And friends, it is very common in music for the last word of the musical line to rhyme. It's just kind of how music works. It helps it blend and fit together. Now, when I first heard it, without looking at the words, up on the housetop, reindeer paws, I was thinking reindeer paws. But the way that it's written right here is pause, P-A-U-S-E, pause, like to stay still, to wait, to stop. Isn't it interesting? So it makes sense that up on the housetop, the reindeer pause. They stop and they wait for Santa. It also makes sense for up on the housetop there to be reindeer pause. So I've actually seen this song written both ways. I've seen it with pause, P-A-U-S-E, and I've seen it with pause, like a paw from an animal, P-A-W-S. So look at that. We have two words, pause and pause, that sound exactly alike, but they both are spelt differently and they mean something differently. This pause, which is a part of an animal's body, and this pause, which means to hold or stop, those are two different things, but they sound the same. We have a special word for that. Do you know what we call two words that sound the same but are spelt different and have different meanings? We call it a homophone. Homophone is a type of word that sounds the same, has two different meanings. All right. I want you to make a housetop when you sing it. I'm going to sing a line, and I want you to sing it back to me. I need to stand up because I need to jump when Santa jumps out. So, up, and this time I'm going to do a pause like this, and I'm going to make pause. So it could be either or, okay? Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus. And so for Santa Claus, I kind of want you to make him like he's got his big jolly belly and his big suit. Okay, so we're up on the housetop. We have our reindeer. We pause and we jump. And then we be Santa Claus. Ready? Let's do that to match together. Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little ones' Christmas joys. Good job. So we're going to go down the chimney, lots of toys, and then we're going to go all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Awesome. Let's do that much from the beginning. Ready? Here we go. Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little ones' Christmas joys. Now when we go, ho, 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 I want you to be Santa. Ready? Here we go. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. And can you snap your fingers when you do click, click, click? Good job. And let's go back down the chimney. Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Awesome. So remember, you can stop this video and go and practice that as many times as you want. Otherwise, let's sing it all together. Ready? Here we go. Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Awesome. Let's check out the next verse. First comes the stocking of little Nell. Oh, dear Santa, fill it well. Give her a dolly that laughs and cries, one that will open and shut her eyes. Awesome. What do we have for rhyming words there? What do you see? Yeah, we have Nell and well and cries and eyes. Let's put some actions with that. Let's do first comes a stocking of little Nell. Now when we tell, oh dear Santa, fill it well, we're going to beg and beg. Oh dear Santa, fill it well. Hold the dolly. Give her a dolly that laughs and cries, one that will open and shut her eyes. Awesome. And then we're back to our chorus. Our chorus is that part that repeats over and over again. Let's sing our second verse together. Here we go. First comes a stocking of little Nell. Oh, dear Santa, fill it well. Give her a dolly that laughs and cries, one that will open and shut her eyes. Sing it with me. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Oh, you're doing so fabulous. Remember, you can stop and practice those verses. Let's go to our last verse. Here we go. Look in the stocking of little Will. Oh, just see what a glorious fill. Here is a hammer and lots of tacks, whistle and ball and a whip that cracks. All right, what do we have for rhyming words? Will, fill. They both end in the ill sound. Tacks, cracks. Awesome. All right, so now we're going to look in that stocking of little Will. Look in the stocking of little Will. Oh, just see what a glorious fill. So we're going to be super excited, okay? Oh, just see what a glorious fill. Can you take out your hammer? Okay. Here is a hammer and lots of tacks. And you can pretend you're blowing into a whistle. Whistle and a ball and a whip that cracks. And I want to hear a big clap on the word cracks. All right, let's do that together. Here we go. Look in the stocking of little Will. Oh, just see what a glorious fill. Here is a hammer and lots of tacks, whistle and a ball and a whip that cracks. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Fabulous. Let's do it with some music. Let's go back up so that you can see your first verse. Sing and do those actions with me. Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. First comes a stocking of little Nell. Oh dear Santa, fill it well. Give her a dolly that laughs and cries. One that'll open and shut her eyes. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Take a look at those words, see what's coming up next. Here we go, look. Look in the stocking of little Will. Oh, just see what a glorious view. Here is a hammer and lots of tacks. Whistle and a ball and a whip that cracks. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Oh my gosh, that was so fun! Thank you for joining me in learning Up on the Housetop.